So you know when you see something that you like and your mind as an artist you're saying I must just make a model of this thing. Well, in my church we just got a new guitar, and every Sunday when I come out and I look at this guitar in my mind, I'm like, guy, you have to think of a way to make a model of this. You have to think of a way and make a model out of it. So I just went to Illustrator, took a white and black PNG image of a guitar and converted into an SVG file, removed the white background and imported that SVG into Blender, and then I extruded it, converted it into a mesh and started sculpting right away, as you can see. And then from there I went further to model the rest of the guitar for the parts that, for some parts like the handle, used some booleans on this particular part of the guitar. I don't even know what it's called. So then from there I went on to retopologize the rest of the model that was sculpted and clean up the bad geometry that was coming out because of the booleans which I had applied. And before I will go on to show you the final render of this project, I want to urge you and I want to beg you, please kindly like and comment on this particular video. I'm not asking for much. I'm not asking for you to even subscribe to the channel, but if you know you enjoy what you see, because I put a lot of effort into it, I put a lot of time into it. So if you know you want to just encourage me on what I'm doing, kindly just comment on this video, share your thoughts on this video, share it with your friends, like it, and I will be very 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 grateful to you. So over to the end of the final part of this particular project. After I had finished with apologizing, I then went into texturing, and at the end this is the final render of the project.